All right. Good early afternoon. Welcome to the Global Sources Lifestyle Show here in AsiaWorld-Expo. We are in Hall 1 in the booth of New Tide 1M09. You saw earlier this round thing, and I have Daisy here with me to show us the product and tell us how it works. Hello, Daisy.
Hello. Hello. It is a bracelet flask. You can wear and choose the arm, and you drink like this. Maybe you can like this. It's just using in the party. Yeah.
Party.
Yeah.
What's the inside made of?
It's a stainless steel.
Inside
It's a food grade.
stainless steel.
Yes.
And the outside is
Painting.
painting. How is it hand painted?
It's a food grade.
Food grade.
Yeah.
Paint.
Yeah.
And this is it's like a galaxy pattern of pinks and blues and greens. So how do you apply the painting?
It's hard to say that.
Oh,
It's
is it a secret?
yeah. It's just a painting. Yeah.
It's a painting.
Yeah.
And let's take this off. So it looks like your ordinary bangle, but
We have different
okay, there you go, different colors. And then
Shy black.
yeah, and you can open it, the knob, and put some
Drinks.
drink,
Maybe whiskey or some other drinks inside.
and then
It's a decoration just for
oh, is it magnetic? It feels heavy.
no magnet.
No, it's just heavy because it's also made of
Stainless steel.
stainless steel
Yeah.
also. And then screw it tightly and then wear it like a bangle.
Yeah.
Which Daisy will now do. There you go. And you're all set for a party, for a nice night out. And while at the party, you can simply unscrew and then take little sips of your beverage. And as Daisy mentioned earlier, we have other colors. This is
Yes.
what do you call this color? Shiny?
This the metal black.
Metal black.
Yeah, and this matte black.
Matte black.
Yeah.
And same material.
Yes, same material.
Just
Food grade stainless steel.
Just different finish.
Yeah, different color.
Very cool, very nice. So you can wear as many as you want. Looks really fashionable. Is it too heavy if you wear?
Nope.
Yeah, good.
Maybe you can try.
And do you know how much liquid you can put inside?
3.5 ounce.
That's not bad. It's like how many drinks? I don't know how many drinks that is, but 3.5 ounces I think is good enough.
Around 100 millimeter. Yeah.
100 ml.
Yeah.
Okay, not bad at all. All right, Daisy. For example, somebody wants to source this from you. What's your MOQ?
MOQ 1,000.
Pieces.
Yeah, 1,000 pieces
for
for one color.
Oh, 1,000 for one color.
Yes, yeah.
Okay, great. So 1,000 for this, another 1,000 for this, another 1,000 for this. And what about, importantly, FOB price?
Around 4.2.
US dollars.
Yeah, US dollars.
And is it the same for all three styles?
They are same.
Okay, 4.2 US dollars regardless of the color or the style that you pick. And MOQ again is 1,000 pieces. Yes. And while we're here, why might as well look at the other products from New Tide. You want to talk about the other products, Daisy?
Actually, I want to introduce the stainless steel straw for you. Sorry, wait me a moment.
Now, again, stainless steel straws right now are very popular, especially with the ongoing environmental awareness campaign. Several states in the U.S. have already banned the use of single-use plastic straws, and stainless steel straws are a really good alternative.
Eco-friendly, and can we have different size, different color, and different materials. Stainless steel and silicone. And glass. Yeah,
glass.
and even bamboo.
We have bamboo
here. Yeah.
And different widths. So you have a thinner one, and you have thicker straw, and this one's a little bigger.
For bubble tea
Yeah.
and milk tea. Yeah.
With the pearls, so you get to get the pearls still,
Yes.
and different colors. How do you apply the color?
Electroplating.
Electroplating.
Yeah.
And this is like a rainbow.
Rainbow and
Uh-huh.
blue, purple, and gold and, rose gold.
Rose gold.
Yeah,
Very,
yeah.
very popular rose gold now.
Yeah.
Okay. And over here we have a few more vacuum flasks. Daisy, a few details about this.
We can this product flask with PU webbed, and the PU can made by client design and printing and different color and different size. For this flask, we have different size from 1 ounce to 10 ounce.
10 ounce.
Yeah.
And where's the 10 ounce?
We do not have
they
here.
don't have it,
Yeah.
but this would be about 1 ounce.
This is 6.
Oh, 6 ounce.
Yeah.
So 1 ounce is very small then.
Yeah.
Okay, great. All right. So again, we are in Hall 1 of the AsiaWorld-Expo. It's day 1 of the Global Sources Lifestyle Show. Make sure to catch it. Go to 1M09. Look for Daisy if you're interested in that very hip flask that doubles as a bangle. A really great add-on to parties. Follow Global Sources on social media. Register for Lifestyle Show through globalsources.com/exhibition, so you get free entrance and transportation to the show. Lifestyle is it's the newest show of Global Sources, where you can find curated, innovative, unique gifts and home products. And for now, I will wrap this up. I will say goodbye. Until later, I will see you.